Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Today I have my empties. I don't have quite as many as I usually do, but I've been trying to use up some full-size stuff, so I think that's what it is. I also put away my sample series for January, so we'll see how that goes when I start back up here in February. So if you want to know what I went through, just keep watching. Alright, so I am filming this monthly empties about 2 or 3 days earlier than I normally film. So I have one item that's almost done, but I'm pretty sure that I will be done by the time that I would normally film this. This is the only thing that I have that's close to being finished, so I am including it because I don't feel like I'm going to finish anything else this month. And then also I will be keeping track of everything that I've used up in 2019, and I will at the end of the year have like a breakdown of how many of each product I used up. So this first one is from Bath & Body Works. It is the True Blue Spa Avocado Butter Malibu Beach Pedicure Foot Cream. And as you can see, there's a little bit still left in the bottom, not a lot, probably about 2 or 3 more uses, and I have been using it on my hands the past couple nights just because I want to get rid of it because it's starting to get a little thicker in consistency, so I know that it is nearing the end of its life. Next up, also from Bath & Body Works, I have 2 soaps. The first one is Peach Bellini. It is the this is the Creamy Luxe, so it has like a slight shimmer to it. I really love the scent of this. This is a great one. And this was also a Creamy Luxe. This is the Sugared Lemon Zest. I don't know if this one is still available, but I really enjoyed both of these. I think they were great smelling soaps, and I'm sad that they are gone. Body lotions. I actually went through 2. This one I had started, and this was a full one, so my skin must be extra dry or something. I don't know. Pink Chiffon, it's a body lotion. I don't know what more I need to say about it. Pink Chiffon, this is one of my favorite scents from Bath & Body Works. I don't think they make it anymore. It smells so good. I love it. I also really enjoyed this one, the Sweet Cranberry Rose, but I don't think they carry this one either anymore. They're both, I still have more of both of those because I am trying to use up all of the lotions that I have everywhere. Also from Bath & Body Works, this is a Country Apple shower gel. Really loved the scent of this, and it was a good body wash. They're like my favorites. From Tree Hut, this is a Shea Sugar Scrub. This is my favorite scent. It is the Tropical Mango. I also went through this whole thing this month. I think like my mom might have used a little bit of it, but other than that, like, I went through a lot of moisturizer and scrubs because I just feel like in the winter you feel more dried out and itchy, so I've been using more of the sugar scrub. I'm going to save all of my sheet masks for the end because I actually went through a lot of them. As always, the Tom's of Maine Whole Care Toothpaste in Cinnamon Clove. It's either this or Cinnamon. I think I'm using Cinnamon currently. From Skintimate, this has the wrong lid, but just ignore that. This is the Raspberry Rain Shaving Gel. I really like this one. That's like my favorite formula. I don't care what scent it is. I buy whatever is on sale and or cheapest. From Elemis, this came in my Boxy Luxe for December. This is the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. I used this mostly, I went through it pretty fast because I was using it on my neck and chest and occasionally on my face. It was a pretty nice cream. I don't think it was worth like the $80 that it normally is, but I did enjoy it while I had it. This one, oh my gosh, this is the Body Shop Body Butter and Cranberry, I believe. Why doesn't it say the scent? I think it was Cranberry. And this was starting to dry out, and luckily I was using it on my feet, so I went through it fairly quickly, but it was a little thicker in consistency. That's why I'm trying to use up some of my lotions before they are unusable. So I was disappointed that that happened to it, but it smells amazing, and I do love the scent of the cranberry at the Body Shop, not Bath & Body Works. From Crabtree and Evelyn, this is a Spiced Vanilla Ultra Moisturizing Hand Therapy. This was just okay. The scent was okay. I didn't exactly enjoy the scent of it. And the formula was just okay. It wasn't like ultra moisturizing. So it was an okay hand cream. I think I have a couple more different scents, but I would not purchase that one again. This one I think I got in a Macy's beauty box. This is from Ahava. It is the Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream in the scent Sea Kissed. This is a really moisturizing hand cream. I really enjoyed that, but it is way too expensive for me to buy it on a regular basis, so I wait until it comes in a box, basically. And I think I got one in my FabFitFun box, perhaps, something like that. Another one from a box, this was in my Allure beauty box. This is the CEO Rapid Flash Brightening Serum. This stuff was pretty nice. I do like this, but I don't think it's like worth the $90, I think. But I think it's a good vitamin C serum. It's a milky one. It's not like a gel one like the Ole Henriksen one. Little bitty shampoo. This is the Total Results Matrix shampoo. Did finish that. Nothing big about that. From DHC, this is a deep cleansing oil. I finished this one. I have another one that I just started. This is a pretty good oil cleanser. What I don't like is the packaging because it has that itty bitty spout. So instead of just pouring it into your hand, you have to go like this, or you have to try to squeeze it, which it is not a squeeze-friendly bottle whatsoever. Yes, I use my left hand to squeeze because while my right hand is much better, I still have slight tingling in my right thumb, and I'm still weak. I gained some strength back, but it's not 100% yet. And then two of my normal empties. This is a beauty blender. It lasted its 3 months, and I always toss them after 3 months. This was the yellow orangey one. They lose color very fast is what I have found. And then a Clarisonic brush head as well. As always, I switch those out every 3 months. Sheet masks. I went through a lot of sheet masks and the like. First thing up is Facial Radiance pads from First Aid Beauty. These were pretty nice. I do like these. I'm never going to buy them though because I keep getting them in boxes. Then eye patches from Jean Pierre Cosmetics. These were not my favorite. They kind of stung a little bit, and I don't know what's up with that because it stung like over here in this area. They were okay. I wasn't a big fan. I wasn't a big fan of these ones either. These are from Patchology. Same kind of thing, so I don't know what it is. You only leave them on for 5 minutes though, so that's kind of nice. They were just okay. Like I said, not my favorites. I thought I liked these ones better, the South Main ones, but I just wasn't a big fan of these either. These ones they say to leave on 30 minutes, and I could not make them stay on for 30 minutes. They did not want to stay. So I just feel like, I don't know, the gel eye patches don't want to stay on, and I know people do like the double masking with the sheet masks over the top, but that's just too much for me. I want one mask at a time, one thing at a time, because I also, I have a lot of blackheads and stuff here, and I want the treatment on those, and those eye patches cover up some of that area as well, so I don't know. I've had clear skin this month, which is awesome, so I haven't used up as many of the Peter Thomas Roth Acne Clear Invisible Dots. I only have one packet in there, which is pretty impressive, because usually I have a lot. But I have gone through a lot of sheet masks. I was trying to do them at least once a week, if not twice a week, so let's talk about all of them. First one is from Sephora. This is the Green Tea, which is a mattifying and anti-blemish. It did kind of smell like tea, so it wasn't the most pleasant scent. It was kind of a weird scent. I felt like it was a good sheet mask though, so I did enjoy it. I always like the Tony Moly. This was the Purifying Cactus Mask. Pretty nice, liked that one. These ones I don't like. I love Corona. This is Leaders, sorry. Leaders. This one I thought I was going to like, and I bought a whole package of them, but they are the coconut bio one, so it's like more like a gel. So if you leave them on too long, they start getting crusty and they dry and harden, which I don't like. So I try not to buy these anymore, but I still have several of these and another style too. Karuna, I love this mask. There's so much serum in it. It feels really good. It works really well. They're really expensive though, so I always try to get them when they are on sale. I think I got these at TJ Maxx. That's why I have so many of them. This is the clarifying one. This is obviously my favorite because I do suffer from acne a lot. So that one I really did enjoy as well. Then we did this one, another one from Jean Pierre. This is the Eau de Rose sheet mask. This didn't have an overpowering rose scent, but it did leave my skin feeling really hydrated and moisturized, so that is always a plus. So I really did enjoy that one, and I would consider getting that one again. And then this one was from Tony Moly. I don't think that this is any better than the regular Tony Moly masks, even though I think these are more expensive. This is the hyaluronic acid hydrating one. It was fine. It was nothing major at all. That's it for my empties. I didn't even have a full bag this month, so you know I didn't go through as much as normal. But let me know what you have been using up, what you have been liking, what you thought of these. If there are products in here that you love, let me know as well. I hope you are all having a fantastic day. I really appreciate you spending a few minutes with me. I hope you are having a fantastic day, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.